Resources on how teachers can effectively broach and educate students on the topic of bullying by Kylie B. Bars. Australian primary schools are among those with the highest reported incidence of bullying in the world. This is an appalling statistic primarily because implications of bullying are devastating and wide-reaching. Therefore, primary school teachers educating the topic of bullying is fundamental for encouraging a cohesive and inclusive classroom environment for effective learning and a sense of well-being and safety throughout the school. Bullying is an enormous issue for young children to navigate, and therefore the importance of teachers introducing this topic early on at primary school level is integral in raising the awareness of bullying. Teaching the topic of bullying can encompass subtopics that are curriculum-related, like bullying manifestations and context, the roles involved, the mental health and wellbeing implications of ongoing bullying, and the subsequent actions and strategies towards helping all involved. The following resources have been specifically selected to encompass and include all students' welfare, in particular the understanding of crucial roles that bystanders have in the prevention of schoolyard bullying. This government-supported website stands alone to offer Australian teachers a range of relevant information like bullying legislation and policy, but also educational resources that aid students' comprehension of bullying-related matters. Inclusively, this website provides detailed guidance for parents and carers, school leaders, the wider community, as well as students, to effectively understand and tackle this nationwide issue. Informative and practical resources are ready for all stakeholders who can access trustworthy and up-to-date information like bullying definitions to explain the facts and misconceptions, state and national laws on bullying to aid the repercussions of bullying and mandated education, professional learning and development resources like responding and reporting instances of bullying to give teachers the confidence to identify bullying and subsequently advocate for and educate students on the topic effectively. Importantly for teachers, its educator resource page is populated with valuable activities, videos, classroom posters and visuals, as well as lesson plans that are offered to enhance student understandings around this topic. Specific videos, like this bystander clip, is an example of the high-quality resources this website offers. The powerful imagery and simplistic language used in the video are tactfully narrated and provide students with clear definitions of bullying roles and identifying bullying behaviours, including covert tactics, useful and proactive bystander strategies on staying safe and helping others, including the bully, and a disposition of camaraderie among peers. After the video, students are well positioned to discuss the variety of issues it presents and participate deeper in explorations of bullying and bystander roles. Underpinned by social learning principles, the video has many uses in the classroom. In the upper primary, this video can allow older students to examine broader ideas of their own social capacities and responsibilities as leaders in the school, in activities like guided discussions and peer debates. From Year 1 and upwards, it can be used as a curriculum-based pretext for younger students to develop understandings of respectful relationships and behaviours. Here is a flashcard resource I have designed that has many uses in the classroom, like discussion prompt cards, classroom posters, and in particular as resource cards for dramatic role-play activities to further explore moral responses as a bystander. These resources are valuable teaching and learning source for teachers and students alike, where educational ideas and classroom approaches to bullying are only limited by a teacher's attitude towards the topic of bullying.